Hello kitties, today we're driving from Millicent to Mount Gambia. Only a half an hour drive. All the sights here are going to be from Mount Gambia, but because of that pesky wind I've managed to do some voiceovers over some of the things, saying exactly what I said before. Hope you get it okay. Well, good morning kitties. Well, it's now afternoon. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. I have a cardigan on. I have a watch on. First time I've had a watch on since I got back from Europe in Mount Gambia. Hopefully I don't have to talk over this. Check out how blue that lake is. That is the most beautiful blue I have ever seen. And apparently it's only blue in summer. So fortunately we managed to score a day where it actually is quite freezing as well. Check out that house. Imagine if you got to live in that house over there. How cool would that be? Let's go see what the lookout's got to offer. It's got waves and a window and everything. Oh, it doesn't look as blue over here. 70 metres deep though. How deep is that? Apparently it comes from an old volcano. I still can't get over how blue it is. It's just absolutely amazing. Man, it's windy up here. 70 hectares, 5 kilometres around, 36 million litres. That's just huge. I still can't believe it's 70 metres deep. Man, I think we better go back to the car because it's pretty windy up here. So from Blue Lake, we went for a little drive just basically around the roundabout and across the road to Valley Lake. Now this place blew me away. The hills are so steep, lovely little picnic areas. It's just a fabulous little place if you live in Mount Gambia. There's lots of little nice picnic areas. You could easily find one all secluded. You get to go down this road and look at the beautiful Valley Lake. There was a couple of people out there on speedboats. So it's quite a decent sized lake. There's a little playground down below. All because of volcanoes apparently. Anyway, enjoy having a little look. Look at this, folks. Lots of little duckies, birdies hanging out by the lake's edge. But check out the size of this lake. Obviously the skiers come down here. It's not as blue as the other one. I reckon it's cold down there though. So the Blue Lake is over there, over the top of that. Man, that's a steep hill. But gee, I like it around here. Nice little area of town in Mount Gambia. What a surprise. So folks, this is a sinkhole that they've turned into a garden. Let's see what it's like when we look over the edge. Mount Gambia didn't take as long as we thought to look around, so we might have a couple of rest days coming up. Bargain! Nothing like lazing around watching a bit of telly. So I'll let you see what my reaction is as we look over the wall, because it's obviously into there somewhere. Doesn't look like much from the outside, but let's see what it's like when we get close. So apparently some bloke in the late 1800s thought this is part of a farmland, and then it had water in the bottom, so he got the gardens going to make it cooler from the summer heat, and he used to take people around when there was water in it, but then he died and it fell into a bit of disrepair, and someone else got it and someone else got it. Now the government's got it. It's pretty cool though, isn't it? I just like the long ivy that drops down it. I'm looking forward to going back up the stairs. So it's pretty steep. Those are the stairs you've got to go up to get up here. And I'm not down the bottom because it goes down there as well. We ain't going down the bottom. It's bad enough having to go back up those stairs. But then it's rest for the rest of the day, so I'm going to fly up those stairs. Right, found ourselves a little campground for the night. Got there just as the last few people were checking in. It was a bit squishy in the end, but hey, managed to have a rest for the rest of the afternoon. And next video we'll head off further to Ballarat, which, well, I don't know whether you'll get to see much, but then we're going to go to Phillip Island and see the penguins. So we're kind of excited about that bit. So, hope you enjoyed, hope you're all having a good time, and I'll see you in the next one.